obviously college prep. I'm going to my junior year, and over in Bootstrap, I created this Roomba, which is a cleaning robot, and it'll move around. And when it comes cleaning any dust on the floor or any small object, once it encounters a wall or an obstacle, it'll back up and move left. So it'll continue going forward using the sensors in the front, but because the tabletop is making it difficult for the wheels to spin, it won't move left, but on the floor it would. And so the way it works is using the ultrasonic sensor in the front, which sends a sound wave, a high frequency that when it collides with an object, it'll bounce back into the receiver in the right. And that receiver using that technique, it'll determine how far the object is, and if it's within 16 centimeters, it'll send it to the Arduino, tell it to move back and turn left. And the Arduino is basically like the brain of the Roomba, where it controls the flow of electricity and inputs. And using the code that I wrote, it'll it'll in the code that I wrote, it'll depending on the how far the object is, it'll send the input to the motor driver, which controls the motors. And if it's nothing's in the way, it'll tell the motor driver to spin the motors forward. If not, then then it goes back and to the right. And issues that I had with this project was that finding like code to make a sensor work, because all the other ones I tested didn't really work as well, so I had to just create my own set of code. And the issue was that on smooth surfaces, the lint roller was actually way too sticky, so it didn't make so the motors weren't strong enough for it to be able to move. Cloth is able to move well because the roller on the cloth makes it'll stick not as well. And another issue that I had was being able to put the components like onto this. This is like my third disassemble and assemble, where I had to move around the pieces to make it work well, and this was the final product. And for future plans with this is to create a vacuum cleaner to add to the front and replace the lint roller to make it more efficient. And over when I came at first, I didn't really know much about engineering other than some coding experience using a couple languages, computer languages, and being able to create this from scratch pretty much is like a big accomplishment. And hopefully in the future, for college, I hope to go into mechanical engineering and computer science. Thank you. Is there any questions?
Any questions?
I didn't catch, how does the dirt get collected? Is there like a way that the dirt gets collected?
The lint roller is kind of is like pretty sticky, so it'll go over the dirt or the dust, and it will stick to the lint roller. Any more questions?
Could you talk about the driver inside it? The motor driver inside it. Can you talk about it a little bit more?
The motor driver uses the way it works is it uses the H-bridge circuit, which makes it so that each wire connecting the motors, it'll close or open, and depending on the output from the Arduino, from the sensor in the front, it'll tell which switches to close or open, and based on that, each wire when it's closed, it'll tell the wheel to move forward, and if the other one is closed, it'll tell it to go backwards. And using that, it can make the motors go forward, left, right, or backwards.
Great, that's really great.